What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike and I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video, it's more of the same, more dividend portfolio updates for you. We're going to go over all the dividends that I received for the month of April of 2023. Not too much has changed for the month of April, so not too much to go over. Should be a pretty solid, pretty quick video. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Also, if you're wondering how much I'm making in my Robinhood portfolio alone right now, the annual dividend income I'm receiving is about $1,500. Quarterly, that's about $385. Monthly, that's about $128 on average. Every single day, I'm getting paid roughly $4.23 just from investing into these stocks that I have in my portfolio and that I hold in my portfolio. And every single hour, it's at about 18 cents. So yeah, without me lifting a finger, that's how much we're making off that portfolio in particular right now. I got the Robinhood app right here, so we're gonna go and open that on up, Face ID, and we are in. Right now I'm recording this on a Sunday. I believe it's Sunday, April 30th. So pretty much the last day of the month, I think. Yeah, I think. But the point is, we're here for the dividends. Right now, the portfolio is sitting at a nice $45,759. Let's go on over to the dividend section and see what we got for April of 2023. We ended the last month, March of 2023, with ticker symbol VOO. And to start April of 2023, we got ticker symbol JEPI or JEPI. That paid us on April 6th of 2023, reinvested back into JEPI stock for $22.62. If we go on in and check it out, that's for holding about 50 shares of JEPI. Overall, they paid us about 44 cents per share, and that's $22.62, as I mentioned before. Right now, JEPI stock is sitting at a nice $55.42 a share right now. My overall growth is up about 1%. Nothing crazy there, but this isn't a long-term growth type of strategy. This is simply put for dividends for the time that we're in, the financial time that we're in right now for the stock market. So long term, JEPI probably won't be on my portfolio, as you guys already know from watching those previous videos and also watching the JEPI video. If you haven't seen it, it'll be linked right up there. But yeah, long term, JEPI probably won't be here, but for the time being, JEPI right now is making us a nice consistent passive income, which we love to see, around a 10% yield right now every single month. So cannot complain with that. Not bad at all. We'll see how things play out a little bit more into the future once the stock market starts to get to that bullish point again, which might take a couple years. We'll see how things play out. The overall financial market isn't in the best shape right now, so we'll just have to wait and see. But for the time being, JEPI paying us consistent dividend of 10% yield every single month, I really can't complain with that, and I don't think too many other people can as well. Past JEPI, we got ticker symbol what? Ticker symbol MPW. That stands for Medical Properties Trust, and they paid us on April 13th of 2023 for $29.78. Another big one right here. Also reinvested back into Medical Properties Trust stock. We have 102 shares currently at the time of getting this dividend. That was about 29 cents per share. Of course, we go on into Medical Properties Trust. Right now, it's sitting at $8.82 a share right now, and if we scroll down, I'm down about 35% with a long-term hold on Medical Properties Trust for the time being. If we keep on scrolling, we can see the dividend yield right now is a very nice 13%. That makes perfect sense as the stock price falls. Of course, the dividend yield will increase, and as long as Medical Properties Trust can continue to pay out this dividend, I see no issue for the short term and semi-long term, I guess you could say about a year out for this stock. But if they, of course, can't pay their dividend, which right now it looks like they can based on their financials, then it would be a different story. So for the time being, I'll continue to hold Medical Properties Trust and collect that nice 13% dividend yield. It's not too much to complain about. Hopefully we can get this back up to what it used to be, or I guess not we, but the market itself. You can see it's been taking a beating for quite some time now, up around $18. I think I bought it, or my average cost is about $13. So yeah, it's been some time where it's been falling, but we'll see how things play out in 2023 and probably into 2024 as well. Past Medical Properties Trust, we got ticker symbol what? Ticker symbol MAIN or Main Street Capital, a nice monthly paying dividend stock, and that's on April 14th of 2023, also reinvested back into Main Street Capital stock. That's for $8.39. At the time of the dividend payout, that's about 37 shares I was holding, and that's for 22 cents per share. If we go on in, Main Street Capital has been hovering around this $40 price point ever since I kind of originally invested into it. You can see my average cost is $38. Overall, we're up about 6% with the overall stock. And if we scroll down, a nice monthly paying dividend paying us out right now at about 6.43%. 3%, which is pretty good. Right now, high interest savings accounts are paying anywhere between 3.5 to 4.5%. And as far as treasury yields like I bonds, I believe it's around 4.3% right now. So this is pretty solid for a nice, steady, monthly paying dividend stock. You're going to get a nice dividend yield on it. Can't complain with it. And it's been very consistent as far as paying this out ever since I've been invested into them. So no complaints at all with Main Street Capital, and we'll continue to invest more and also reinvest more for the long term. Past Main Street Capital, we have ticker symbol O, or Realty Income. That's also on April 14th of 2023 for $4.47. Of course, Realty Income is one of everybody's favorite real estate investment trusts, or REITs, on the stock market. Right now, that's for holding about 17 and a half shares. They paid us 25 cents per share approximately, and we go on in. That's for $62.61. That's the share price of Realty Income right now. Like I said, this is one of everyone's favorite real estate stocks to invest into on the stock market. I think this is a great time to pick some up. Overall, I would like it to be lower than my average cost, so I'll probably wait around just to see how things play out for the rest of this year. But overall, I have, as you can see, only about 18 shares right now, still up about 2.81%, roughly 3%. And if we scroll down, dividend yield right now is about 4.75% as of recording this video. Nothing too much to report here. Realty Income has been doing what they do just about, which is pretty much invest in commercial real estate like LA Fitness, like Walmart, Dollar General. They pretty much own those buildings, and then of course they receive that lease income in our form of passive income in the form of dividends. So I've talked about it enough on the channel, and that's the gist. Past O, or Realty Income, we don't have too much more left, but let's go ahead and check the next one out, which is ticker symbol STAG, another monthly paying dividend stock, just like O, Main Street Capital, and JEPI. STAG, or STAG Industrial, paid us $7.07 on April 17th of 2023. That's also reinvested back into STAG stock. That's for holding about 57.74 shares. Overall, they paid us about 12 to 13 cents per share. And if we go on in, STAG is sitting right now at 33.87, which I believe off of a previous recording, that's exactly where I want STAG at to pretty much buy some more shares. I think I bought it originally around $40. Looks like my average cost is about 37. So yeah, I'm liking STAG right here at about $33 a share for the long term. We'll see how STAG plays out. They're supposed to have more dividend growth than expected, so it would be nice to actually see that when things play out going forward into 2023 and 2024. We'll definitely be on a close watch for STAG. Right now, I'm down about 10% overall with the investment, but still plan to hold it for quite a bit of time. And we go down, we can look at the dividend yield. Like I mentioned before, I wish it was a little bit higher, but right now it's about 4.32%. And I'm not mad at that, but like I said, I want something a little bit better. I do plan on investing more into STAG stock over the next coming months and possibly a year, depending on how their performance goes with their financial reports. So we'll just have to wait and see when it comes to STAG. And honestly, investing, we'll just have to wait and see when it comes to a lot of things. Past that, though, let's go on over to the next one. The next one is ticker symbol PSEC, and I also believe it's the last one on the list today. Like I said, I don't really get paid too many dividends in April. Hopefully, I'll add some more dividend stocks, or maybe I'll add some more dividend stocks that do pay me in April. But regardless, PSEC, Prospect Capital, paid us on April 19th of 2023, and that was for $7.15. This is not reinvested back into PSEC stock. I've talked about it enough. It's for holding about 119 shares, about 6 cents per share that was paid to us. And right now, the overall, or the price for PSEC is $6.82. If we scroll down, there, I'm overall up about 40% on my original investment. I have not bought any more or sold any more shares ever since I stopped buying shares. And we scroll down even more, they've been hovering around a nice 10% dividend yield, which has just been extremely consistent. It's been around that price point or around that dividend yield ever since I originally invested into them, and I can't complain. I'll just casually collect that passive $7 every single month and go about my day. But overall, when it comes to investing more money into PSEC, right now I'm just not doing it. You can. I think it's still a valid option. It's just other investments I'm looking at right now versus PSEC, and they'll show in the portfolio as time goes on. Yes, that is it for the entire portfolio for April of 2023. Like I said, it's a pretty small month for me. Overall, the total dividend payout was about $78.48, I believe. Double check my math because sometimes it's off. a lot of times it's off. But overall, around 80 bucks pretty much paid to us for the month of April 2023. Can't complain there. How much did you get paid for April this year? Down in the comment section below, just let me know. And on top of that, what else do you really want to see as far as investing videos? I had another idea as far as my Robinhood portfolio goes, to pretty much kind of restructure the portfolio. I've just been thinking about it at this point in time. Still going to be a dividend portfolio, but it's really locked in and focused on making as much dividend income as possible. So I'm thinking about it. I'll see. The money is somewhat there right now, so I can put some money. I can put quite a bit of money into the portfolio right now. So I'm just trying to grab some ideas. What do you think? Down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. How's your portfolio going? How do you track everything? All that kind of good stuff. Just let me know. I'm open to ideas. I'll catch you guys in the next video. That's pretty much it. I don't have too much else to say. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Stay positive. Stay hydrated. Dollar Mike. Peace.